Is your home market ready to get an edge? Are you thinking of selling your home? If you answered yes, then this is the right video for you. Let us look into the details of preparing your home for sale. Let's switch the places and imagine if you are the buyer, what you would do when you go to see a property. You start observing the house from outside itself. That means you are looking for curb appeal. Yes, it is important. When you are walking right through the doors, what else you sense? You sense the smell, you see the colors, and you feel the overall ambience. To get a nice aroma, you can use lightly scented candles or potpourri. And for colors, I would suggest to go with neutral colors. Are you thinking what else would affect the sale of the house? There are many pointers. Decluttering to create the space, using ample amount of light to make it feel warm and welcoming, and many more things. You are trying to sell the big ticketed item. Do you think you can handle it on your own, or hand it over to experts at what they do best? If you need any help, feel free to reach out to me at 289-993-1064, or you can write me at umani789@gmail.com. This is Uma Saladi with Right at Home Realty.